Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transform these regular store-bought croissants into the most luxurious and delicious raspberry rose croissants. So let's get started. Starting off, here I have a cup of raspberries. You can use fresh or frozen, it doesn't matter because they're going to be cooked. Cook them with a spoonful of sugar on medium heat until they turn nice and bubbly. You're going to remove it from the heat. I'm going to add some heavy cream to my mixer. If you wanted to, like if your raspberries were not that sweet, you're going to want to add a little powdered sugar here. But the raspberries were pretty sweet. I'm gonna start this on high. Now to be making this rose flavor today, I have here the Monin Floral Collection. Today I'm using the rose. This thing is really cool. I'll be leaving the link down below. If you wanted to make like lavender blueberry croissants, that's another good one. But we're using the rose today. I'm just gonna be adding a little touch of it. And then here I have all of the cooled raspberry. We're gonna be folding this in. Add all of your filling to a pastry bag or a Ziploc. Look at that. Oh, I could just put this right in my mouth right now. Here I have all the croissants. Oh, this smells like a French bakery already. These croissants, if you wanted to, of course, you can just take maybe some puff pastry and cut it into a triangle and roll it up, bake it in the oven, and you have like fresh style croissants. Okay, I'm gonna cut it open just this though. Make the hole, and then take your pastry bag, stuff it in there, and here we go. Fill it up as much as it'll go. Oh, yum. This is what it looks like. It looks like that, and you could feel it's very full. Place them to the side. We're gonna dip these in chocolate. I have here some white chocolate chips. You wanna add a hefty spoonful of coconut oil because when we melt this chocolate, we want it to be pretty thin. I'm gonna microwave this, stirring it every few seconds until it slowly melts. I'm gonna take some pink food coloring and just put a drop or two in here, just so it turns this beautiful color. Okay, grab your croissant as so, and you're just gonna dip it in the chocolate. Ooh. Look at that. Drip off the excess, and then I'm gonna place it down on a silicone lined baking sheet. It is still wet. You're gonna just sprinkle it with a little bit of freeze dried. I would typically use raspberries since this is raspberry croissants, but these ones are strawberries. The store didn't have raspberries. Smash these up. Oh wow. I mean, this looks so beautiful. I don't know any more fancier dessert than this. I pop these in the fridge just for a few minutes so that the chocolate can harden up, and they are ready. Look how beautiful they look. They're just so wonderful. Let's cut one open. Ooh, look at all that filling. Little taste test time. Wow. They're just, the filling is not too sweet. It's slightly tart. And it has like the slightest hint of rose, which complements the raspberries so well. These are unbelievable. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. What flavor combo did you guys do? Let me know in the comments down below. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.